Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. I'm always super excited to make these videos for you guys. It is a new month, so that means that we have created a new kit that we want to show you guys. For this month, October of 2025, we created this kit called Lost in Florence. If you want this kit, there's two ways you can get it. We have it year-round available on our site and on our Etsy, or you become a subscriber during the month of October 2025. And that's the best way to save money, and you'll get a fun new kit every month. In addition to becoming a monthly kit club member and getting a kit every month, you'll also get tutorials, inspo, a fun Facebook group, and of course tons of full kit freebies available to you guys as well throughout the year. It is a lot of fun, and I will make sure to have everything linked in the description of this video for you guys. Now, without further ado, here is the kit, Lost in Florence. In this kit, you're going to see some gorgeous colors that are super perfect for fall or any time of the year, but I do think it specifically speaks to all you fall lovers. You're going to have a lot of neutral browns, pops of greens, blues, and overall just some really pretty elements. So if you want to see a little bit of a close-up, then I have actually segmented this video into like 9 different sections of what I could kind of put the kit in. So this first section is the paper, and I definitely have some favorites. You're gonna see some neutrals, some darker colors, medium designs, plain designs, everything so that you have a really big variety to use when you are crafting and creating your journals, scrapbook projects, or whatever. There are 20 different papers, and they're just gorgeous. I like to think of these like a lot of them look like tapestries, like old tapestries, which is really fun. Our next section is the double pages for the kit. Every month we try and include a variety of these blank journal pages that you can throw into a journal, use as a backing paper. You can print paper on the backs of them, and it's really fun. We also try to include an optional journal cover for you guys to use. This next selection has a wide variety of items, starting off with these large labels with some gold detailing, and these are perfect because you can use them as is or layer them on top of these fun shapes. We also have a few pages of kind of some neutral brown ephemera and tidbits that are going to be perfect to stuff into your journal or use however you would like. Another section are the pockets, and we have a lot of pocket varieties here. These are some slanted pockets that can be folded together to create a really fun look. These are mini circle pockets, which look fabulous in journals. Some more neutral slanted pockets. These gorgeous pockets here with those fun white labels. And then these, which are envelope outline pockets. We are cruising right along, and I want to show you guys the envelopes in this kit. So we have some pages of envelopes here, and they come in a few different sizes and styles with some tidbits you can add on top, or you can use those tidbits in other parts of your journal. Next up, we have fussy cuts and some other smaller tidbits. I don't know exactly what we want to call them, but they are cute. So 1 page of butterfly fussy cuts, which can be resized, hearts, which can be printed downsized as well, some more floral fussy cuts that are really gorgeous for fall, and one of my absolute favorite pages ever, which is those little tidbits perfect for layering. Next on the list are some tags and some more journaling cards. Starting off strong, we have these ornate journal cards is what I kind of am calling them. In some fun colors, some of these tags in a style that we've never done, but it's really cute. These classic tags, and some more varieties of tags here. And we're gonna end this video off with my favorite section, which is some of these random items that I didn't really have a great category for, but are really cute. So first off, this page with just a bunch of grunge neutral tickets, a page of short quotes and phrases, another page with these ornate frames, perfect for layering and collaging. Another one of my favorites are these black and white letters and numbers strips, which are going to be great for layering and belly bands and things like that. Some more tags and tickets, and finally some circles. Okay, well, we made it through, and I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. It is always so much fun to showcase what is coming this month and what we're going to be making our tutorials with for a good portion of the month. If you guys want this kit, make sure to check it out. I will have everything linked in the description of this video, or you can go straight to our Etsy, Pink Monarch Prints, or our website, www.pinkmonarchprints.com. We will be releasing a lot of fun tutorials throughout the rest of the month. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you stick along for those extra tutorials through the month of October. I will link the playlist and everything else as well. You guys are wonderful. Have a fabulous day, and we will see you next time. Bye.